Hey, back again. Doing this one for the Model S owners again. So taking the hood off of this one, I'm gonna replace it with this hood. Got in a little accident, little fender bender. Not a big deal, but you know, it's not pretty and everybody likes the car to be pretty, so you see the little damage right here. Didn't want to body shop it. It's got some PPF on it. And also there's a little bend going on right here in this area. So swap it out, got the hood painted. We're just gonna get busy on this, take this off. Start by taking these two bolts off here. This bolt, that bolt. I'm sorry, nut, not bolt. And take the nuts off the bolts. Pause. Take these two off and these two there. Drop these arms on the hood. We got some protection going on. Used some frog tape as a 60-day removal. Make sure we protected this. Came over here. We're actually going to replace this fender because there's a little bend right here in it, but we're not going to do that today. But again, frog tape just in case. We don't make any more scuffs. Just so when we put the hood on, it doesn't scratch up what's already there. So this is step one of the whole front end repair. We're going to get into this bumper another time and replace that, as well as take this fender off on this side. Okay, so we're also taking this, using our removal tool here, going into taking these little holes, these little snaps you see here. Those are in here, so you just take the tool, you go behind it, and then you just kind of pry up and that pops out. So you got a bunch of these along the edge of the hood that needs to come off also, as well as the height regulators, little spacers, and those are right here. There are four of them, and that's stoppers that land on the hood right here and right here to kind of regulate the height of the hood. But that's it. So I'm gonna get it going, and also the latch. Two bolts here. Took the latch off. Got that off. The latch is sitting right there. The two bolts. Got a T40 Torx to take that off. All right, I'm gonna get busy and put the new one on and line it up. All right, so we got the new hood out, taped off all the edges so that we can make sure that nothing gets scratched up. Made a point to take a look at this. These are alignment etches. You can see them right there. And you want to basically take the hood and yeah, there you go. And make sure that you match that to what is currently on the car. You can see these. They have the edges right there. Let me try to get the angle. There you go. And try to match that on the right side and the left side so that you kind of sort of place it exactly where it was when it came off the car. So we're gonna give it a go. Take this off, taking those bolts off, try to do the lineup. Okay, so we managed to get the hood on. A lot of alignment stuff, but it is on. New hood, and just gotta make sure that these lines are nice and even. Gotta get a gapping tool, and there's a few adjustments need to be made, but I think it came out good. Paint's matching nice, which is the most important thing. And the little fender bender part is now cured. Yay. Now we just gotta get this fender off, but yeah, so looking pretty nice. Gotta do some alignment stuff, but you know, that's probably gonna take a moment, and I'm beat from doing this. So this is the Model S hood, bodywork repair. Next is gonna be, we're gonna get to all that nasty looking stuff right there. All right, thank you. Tell me what you think in the comments. No more popping up.